Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App keeps closing my account in 2026. Now, in order to fix it, first of all, you need to open your Cash App application on your phone. Afterwards, you just have to tap on your profile icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now, when you are here on this particular page, simply select the option of personal information. Now, inside it, if your Cash App is asking for your legal name, your date of birth, your SSN ID, or any of the other ID verifications, you just have to first of all complete that information. Now, a lot of accounts get closed temporarily because identity verification was incomplete or mismatched. Now, after doing so, what you need to do is you just have to simply scroll down a bit and then look for the option of security. Now, inside security, you can change your password, you can enable the security lock, and even verify the email and the phone number. Sometimes the account gets restricted after the suspicious login attempts from the unknown devices. Now, once you have done that, you just have to scroll down a bit further and then select the option of support here in the bottom. Now, when you select the option of support, you will be landed here on this particular page where you just have to simply browse through the categories and then select the option of something else. After selecting the option of something else, you will be landed here on this particular page where you will see this type of chat option. So tap on the option of chat and here you can just simply start chatting with the support. You just have to simply explain the issue clearly and request an account review. Avoid creating multiple replacement accounts immediately because that can then trigger even more automated restrictions. So you can just simply contact them and see if you find any of the solutions from them. Thank you.